it?
That's 5th Avenue, I think. Maybe it's... Yeah, it's 5th Avenue.
Bothering you.
It's not bothering me at all. I just want you to eat it. Yeah, let's do it.
Make eye contact when you do it.
Oh, yeah.
That's cheesesteak.
Let me see your tongue. It doesn't look like all of it.
But for sure.
I will. If I didn't have
That's
a
all of
hangover,
it.
if I didn't have a hangover before, I do now.
Yeah. Motherfucker.
You got paid first, dipshit.
I don't like this. I went off. No, hold it there where you were holding it. I don't like this. Be a man. Be a man. Hurry up. I'm tired. No, put your hands down to your side. Put your hands. Let me out of here.
I don't like it anymore.
Uncle Chuck. We had him. We had him.
Girl, you're gonna burn your ankles like that.
Dude, I'm getting pelted by this goddamn truck. Jesus Christ.
That reminds me, I should make a video about like things new riders should get accustomed to or get used to.
Oh yeah, fucking getting pelted by cement trucks.
That's a video.
Don't go too close behind a fucking school bus.
Explain that one to me.
Some fucking kid threw his fucking banana or something out the goddamn window at me. And I chased that goddamn bus down. I was like, I really wanted to fucking pull that kid out, beat the shit out of him.
I don't care if he's 12 years old.
But dude, it was like, it literally was like pre-K to fucking 5th graders or some bullshit.
Chase down a school bus and beat up a 12-year-old.
Yeah. Today, Florida man goes to jail.
This is impossible. Swear to God. Let's go! You have your fun? Huh? I know. Having fun? Look at the smile on that face. What year's your Harley? It's a really nice Harley, bro. How big's the engine?
It's a fucking...
How many cc's it got? Is it 2-stroke?
No, it's a 666, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh, those are rare.
Fucking really rare, man.
Those are the best, though.
It goes from 0 to 60 in a month and a half.
Yeah, dude. What's, huh?
What's yours do?
It just sits there and rots.
Hell yeah, man. Yeah, bro.
Harleys. Okay, so what's the premise?
$100 gift card. You can shotgun 2 White Claws the fastest. Is it recording this?
Open them.
No, I got my own.
Just usually have
Are we poking first, or are we going?
No, so we're gonna do it and then like look at each other.
So like, then we gotta rush down to poke the other two.
Yeah. So we'll do this.
So once it's pre-poked?
Well, I mean, we poke it, we cheers it, we do it. How was that?
You have to cheers it.
And then if I'm finished,
And then we gotta go to.
yeah, then you just start on your own.
We cheers it.
We're gonna do this at the same time. This one.
And then.
Yeah, and then go on from there. Let me make sure everyone comes in.
Oh, no joke. You actually are chugging White Claws.
Ooh.
Whoa! That was gross.
You missed all of that.
That was. No, I want.
Josh said they're outside chugging White Claws, and I didn't believe it.
It's funny how better I am when it's $100 involved.
Let's see how full yours is. Mine.
Yeah, it's literally there.
Yours is still f***ing dripping out.
Look at yours and feel mine. There's literally.
Yours has been dripping out for the last 10 minutes.
Some of yours because it wasn't turned that way.
Can I get a White Claw and not fucking
You have to shotgun it.
I do? Well, I will and not leave that much.
Like,
Oh,
it's like an hour later, we're all just like still out here. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna go throw this up.
Round 2. Fight.
That bubble didn't work out very well. And you get a lead yet again. Hang on.
Alright, they're about to shotgun a beer at the pier. Drinking a
This is
beer
West Coast rematch
at the pier.
For the bar tab. 3.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, oh, damn. We got that on video too.
I appreciate it.
I know I lost. I just wanted to look like I won.